Access to COR, self-onboarding. Easily access the platform to start using and taking full advantage of all the features that COR has to offer. Access to COR. Once the company has been created in COR, you will receive a welcome email. Right there, you will find the hyperlink that will take you to COR's URL. Remember that internet connectivity is required to work within COR. To access COR, you can either complete the fields by entering your selected email address and password, or click on the Google button to synchronize your data automatically. When logging in for the first time, it is necessary to generate a secure password. To do this, click on Forgot Your Password and fill in the email field to reset it. You will automatically receive an email that will redirect you to COR to enter a password of at least 8 characters, a capital letter, and a special character. If you have problems accessing COR, click on the Help button. There you will be able to send direct messages or have a live chat with the support team as provided in the pop-up menu. In both cases, you will be able to attach files to show the issue.